Across the sun-baked plains of the African savannah lives a creature so small, so unassuming, you'd likely overlook her entirely. But don't be fooled by her delicate wings and dazzling colors. This insect is a master manipulator, capable of turning another living being into a zombie. Meet Ampulex, compressa the jeweled cockroach wasp. Unlike predators that kill for food, this wasp hunts for a very different purpose: to create the perfect nursery for her young, her victim of choice, a cockroach far larger and bulkier than she is. But she doesn't need strength. She has chemistry on her side. With patient precision, the wasp stalks her prey. When close enough, she strikes once to disable the roach's front legs, and a second time with surgical accuracy, injecting venom straight into the insect's brain. But the goal isn't death, nor is it paralysis. Instead, the venom has a far more disturbing effect. It shuts down the cockroach's escape reflex. The insect remains fully alive, able to walk, breathe, groom itself, but the will to flee, gone. You could shine a bright light in its face and it wouldn't budge. As the roach sits dazed and compulsively cleans itself, the wasp waits. She isn't in a rush. Timing is critical. Her venom must take full effect before the next step. This delay ensures the cockroach remains in a trance-like state, its body intact but its autonomy stripped away. The roach doesn't realize it, but it's no longer in control of its own body. Every instinct that once told it to run, to hide, to survive has been chemically switched off, and all the while, the predator watches, coldly calculating her next move. Once the wasp is confident her neurochemical hack has taken hold, she returns. This time, she performs a disturbing bit of surgery. Vibrating her wing muscles at high speed, she severs the roach's antennae. But she doesn't do this just to disable the insect further. She drinks a small amount of its blood. Scientists believe this tasting allows her to assess how effective the venom was. Too little venom and the roach may recover prematurely, threatening the survival of her offspring. Too much venom, and the host could die before the larva has a chance to feed. It's a narrow biological window, and she has to get it exactly right. Once she's certain the dosage is perfect, she guides the zombified roach, still very much alive, into a pre-dug burrow. It doesn't resist. It simply walks, as if under hypnosis, right into its tomb. Inside, the wasp probes the roach's body, searching for the ideal spot to lay her egg. Once she finds it, she attaches a single egg onto its abdomen. This roach won't serve as her meal. It's a living incubator for her child. And now that her genetic legacy has been planted, she must protect it. The mother wasp begins sealing the burrow. Carefully, methodically, she uses twigs, stones, and dirt to block the entrance, turning the burrow into a prison and a nursery. The process can take over 30 minutes. This effort isn't wasted. It ensures her offspring won't be disturbed by predators, parasites, or the environment. Inside, the cockroach remains. It's alive, breathing, unaware of the fate that awaits it. Soon, the egg hatches. A larva emerges and begins burrowing into the cockroach's body. But it doesn't feed randomly. It eats with surgical precision. It devours non-vital organs first, keeping the roach alive as long as possible to ensure the freshest meat. This is not mindless consumption. It's engineered survival. Roughly a month later, the transformation is complete. A fully grown wasp emerges from what used to be a cockroach. The host is dead, its body hollowed out from within. But the new wasp doesn't look back. Nature has programmed her with one goal: to repeat the cycle. With her wings dry and strong, she takes flight, an agent of precision and control, ready to find her next target.